You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer, I pulled away from it and moved to the city. Over the Thames Bridge, you like the colors, I can't see anything. I'll be your coffee, I'll be your poster child, walking like Jesus when I'm...
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lizzie. I make the occasional YouTube video and I'm coming to you live, well, not exactly live, with another video. I won't bore you with the details, but let's hop right into the video. I'm gonna eat this fat croissant. Like, why is it so big? It's like as big as my head. So a couple days ago, I went to Michael's and bought some plant pots. Here's the other one. This one's kind of heavy. Because I want to repot my snake plant and my string of bananas. I'm a little worried that this might be a little too big, but I think it'll be fine. Hopefully it's not too heavy. Let's repot some plants, guys. Okay, here's the setup. Hopefully I have enough soil. Got my 2 pots, got the snake plant. I'm gonna do that one first, and my watering can, and then music for entertainment purposes.
And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing.
Yeah, I love it.
Waiting, I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do.
Snake plant was pretty successful. Ooh, the lighting, not good. Hold on. The snake plant was pretty successful, but now I have to do this one, and it's a little bit more advanced, so we'll see how it goes.
Reminiscing on the time when we first met, I was tongue-tied, super fried. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish. It didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you.
They turned out pretty good. Ooh, my battery is about to die, but I'm gonna put that one back in the plant holder and that one back in its place.
Text me when you're done then.
You were finding new friends. Let's put our stereo down by sending a signal.
Don't talk about me that way, I can't stand it. Dress me up and push me down the aisle. Raise your glass and won't you stay a while? You can take my eyes if you need to, they're always looking for you. Another branch offered for.
Been having a really fun day so far. As you can see, you know, I potted plants and made a smoothie and went on a little walk. We just pet a really cute dog. And it's just a beautiful day out, but it's supposed to snow tomorrow apparently, and I am not happy about that whatsoever. Let's get this massage, yes! So I'm home from my massage, obviously. It was spectacular. I probably get massages like twice a year. Brian has to make a return at Target, and I, you know, just generally need to go to Target. We got Starbucks, and Brian tried the ham and Swiss.
It slaps. It's good.
It's really good. Yeah. Nobody appreciates it. I still have the mark on my face from the massage bed. Is it really a Lizzie YouTube video if I don't do a Target haul? No. I also went to Sally's, but Target stuff first. It takes precedence. Okay, so I got these biker shorts. I never hopped on this trend, and I think it's kind of a good trend. And we got an outdoor extension cord. What is this for? You'll find out later in the video, probably. And then as you can see, my hair is constantly just on one. So I broke down and bought this. It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. This stuff is really good, and I've heard a lot of really good things about it too. So yeah, I kind of need something like stronger like this because my hair just, it can't be tamed. Okay, I know this hairstyle is giving me Ned's Declassified coconut head vibes, but I just want to come on here and say that stuff really works. You probably cannot tell because I'm filming this on photo booth right now. Just go buy it, like just do it. I'm mad that I didn't do it sooner, and now I understand like how people's hair actually looks good, because that was just a concept that escaped me for the longest time. But yeah, anyways. And I got a little deep repair mask as well because my ends are just kind of dry. I honestly need a haircut. Balcony beer time, and I am breaking out like a moth right now. Success. I was gonna call my mom, but she didn't answer. Okay, not to be a total hipster, but there's this IPA that's made in Broomfield, and it is so good. If you see this, you should try it.
Oh, we're close, yeah.
Brian is cooking for me yet again.
As usual.
He actually, you kind of are the cooker here.
Definitely.
The cooker, the chef.
The cooker. Me cooker.
You cooker, me eater. Okay, so here's the plan. We're gonna hang these lights with the extension cord that plugs in here, and we're gonna put them, let me turn you around, kind of here, like hanging down. I'm having the best time just hanging out here. I hung those lights and I think they look really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang out until dinner time and until the sun goes down. I've had the best day today. No complaints. I mean, the massage was honestly the icing on the cake, but I just had a great day overall. Yeah, you guessed it. I'm still just hanging out here on my balcony, drinking beer. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself a lot right now. Done eating. It's nice and dark out now. Oh my god. Good morning. Good morning. I'm on my balcony yet again. It is Sunday now. Ooh, it is bright too. It's honestly not like super warm out, but it's tolerable and I just want to be outside. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch some videos, hang out for a little bit. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like when my plants get dusty like this. I feel like it's bad for them. So I like to take just a paper towel and kind of wipe them off every now and again. because it actually gets a lot of dust. I mean, okay, well, you can't really see anything, but I promise you there's like dust on that. I don't know, maybe this is not helping anything, but just makes me feel better. Oh, I need some coffee. My voice is so raspy.
I knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever.
Are you fucking joking me?
Fuck. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste.
So pretty much all of my cleaning tasks are completed for the day. I'm gonna make some breakfast now and see what else I get into. I might do my makeup and hair. Well, I might curl my hair because Brian and I are gonna do a little date night tonight at this Italian place that we really like. So I wanna have like my hair done and I don't know, just kind of want to look cute. And it's also supposed to snow right as our reservations start. So it snows at 6 and we made a reservation for 6 in Denver. So yeah, that is going to be the evening, but that'll be later. It's only like noon right now and I think I'm just gonna probably chill for a while after cleaning up and like doing my hair and stuff. Okay, if you haven't tried the Trader Joe's hash browns, they're kind of similar to like McDonald's hash browns, but they are so good. Next time you're in Trader Joe's, pick these up. You won't regret it.
For my share. Dude, everybody knows the time machine uses half its value.
I think I'm gonna start editing this footage. Did my hair for tonight, looks pretty good. And I'm gonna do my makeup later and my outfit and stuff, but for now I'm just chilling.
I never thought I'd break away from you, but now I think my light is shining through. Memories in my mind, like cathedrals downtown. Don't wanna drink anymore. I just need a moment on the dance floor. I float in the lights, forgetting what I adore. Now I'm lost in the city of angels with hidden horns. I guess the devil plays games when he is bored. That's why I'm done with you. Funny, I thought it was love with you. I never